I'm a biomedical engineer, and it's the best job in the world because we get to solve problems in human health by bringing together all the tools of engineering to figure out all the complexity of biology and physiology. I'm Shayn Peirce-Cottler. I am the chair of biomedical engineering at the University of Virginia, and I study small blood vessels. I study the smallest blood vessels in our body, the capillaries, and they're responsible for feeding oxygen and nutrients to all of our cells. And when our bodies are sick, our blood vessels are sick. And if we can figure out how to keep our blood vessels healthy, we can stay healthier. So as biomedical engineers, we develop computer models. And those computer models create the designs that the 3D printer then takes and forms using cells and gels, essentially, into 3D tissue structures that have blood vessels and that function and that can deliver oxygen and nutrients. And so if we can figure out how to make this work, then we can apply it to all different types of organs and tissues where we need structures that can be implanted into the body and stay alive and keep that part of the patient healthy and functioning.